Unang ilam ko United Democratic Party UDP but umentri hak sarkar MDA2 ubak Paul Lyngdoh ulaang baka Voice of the People's Party ka VPP kadai ka sengsan hima ka badon Tang East Khasi Hills District kata ki South ki constituency kat baka United Democratic Party UDP kinthop lang ka Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP pat ki don kat South ki constituency. Habakran sigilat patay kubor hakanok pais ngi jog arpanyo trik luber arjar pesaw ubak pol uloang baka VPP kadang day Tang ke district party kat baka congress pat kadai ke badon bor Shuh. Uloang bakane ke play lat yaw kertong ke Regional Democratic Alliance RDA ke bari ke kenho ni tray lang haparinga UDP bat HSBDP kata ubak Robert June Karjaden ban job hak election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat kaban long hak kat kandai trik uyayong arjar pesaw.
I think you will realize this fact that the UDP in the assembly itself has 12 MLAs plus 2 HSPDP, which makes it 14, which is more than 1/3 of the total strength of the Shillong parliamentary constituency. That apart, even in constituencies which have not had UDP or HSPDP MLAs in the past 10 to 15 years, we have always managed to garner not less than 3,000 votes, even in those constituencies where our local presence in terms of party functionaries is absolutely zilch. So it's the appeal of the party that is more important than any other factor, like the new entrant into electoral politics. Well, they are entitled to their own ideology. For us, we are more interested in the stability of governance and of the political system in Meghalaya. A lot of people have asked us questions like, why are we partnering with the NPP in the government? But it's so obvious that even a blind man can see this, that Meghalaya consists mainly of two regions, the Kyrwoh Hills and the Khasi Hills sectors. Now, the Kyrwoh Hills sector has voted overwhelmingly in favor of the NPP, and the Khasi sector has voted overwhelmingly in favor of the UDP, HSPDP combined. So you have to respect the mandate of the people. That mandate can only be possible when you cobble up a coalition which is stable, which is representative in nature, and which then combines the best interests of the people of both the regions of Meghalaya. Well, every candidate, every political party, even candidates who manage to poll less than nota always claim that they are winning the elections. There is nothing strange about it. Second is, if you judge the performance or the likely result of elections based on turnout in political meetings, you can safely say that that is a very misleading way of looking at how the electorate would finally vote, because over 85% of people who vote in elections do not turn out for rallies and meetings, which is why the system itself is called the secret ballot. Why is it secret? It is because 85% of the electorate does not show its inclination or tilt towards any party or candidate. They vote silently through the system of secret ballot. But if some people like to make good theatrical shows about it, then it's their freedom of choice. And for a party to even call itself a regional party, you would at least have to have a statewide presence, which is something that the VPP lacks. Politics itself is in a very fluid state. There are constant changes happening. Even as we speak, some voters will decide that, all right, yesterday I thought NPP, but today I changed my mind. So there is a constant state of flux in politics, and we can only get to the real final assessment only when we reach polling day. We know the turnout from each constituency. Then only those become the parameters on which we generally calculate where the trend is headed towards. At least half of those individuals are people who have repeatedly been defeated in election after election. The fact that they have lost several elections itself means that they no longer command following or the respect or popularity among the people. If they leave, it means we lose that single individual's vote. I'm not sure whether his wife will even agree with that individual who left. It used to be a Congress bastion, but the dynamics of politics in India have changed tremendously, and that will be a boon for a party, an alliance like ours, because, see, on the one hand, there is an aversion towards the BJP, which is obvious. The fact that they didn't put up candidates in Meghalaya shows that they know that there's no point in them putting up candidates. Now, there is an aversion towards BJP, and the Congress is a spent force. So where will people vote to? VPP is a newcomer in electoral politics. It doesn't have any presence except in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. In one district out of 12 districts of Meghalaya, this party has a presence. So it can't even call itself a regional party. It's not even a statewide party. It's a district-wise party. So you understand the ramifications of that statement. We are fighting in an era and in an environment where the leading national party is not contesting the elections. NPP has chosen to ally with that party. Meghalaya has always voted against BJP. Congress is a spent force. VPP has a presence only in East Khasi Hills district. Now, whose chances of winning are brighter? It's for you to do the analysis.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngdoh ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya